Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. So today I got Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G. The mobile that I have is actually Korean variant. Model number is N976N. And I have already updated my mobile phone from One UI 4.1 to One UI 6. This is actually a ported ROM. Let me go to my mobile phone about phone to show you that. You can see that there is a Galaxy S22 Ultra. Basically, this ROM is ported from Galaxy S22 Ultra for the Galaxy Note 10 series. So thank you, developer who ported this ROM for Galaxy Note 10 series, and must be Exynos. Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G is updated to One UI version 6.0, Android version 14. And if you see the baseband, that the currently model number is, my mobile phone is N976, and this is the Korea variant. So after flashing the ROM, I have rooted my mobile phone to let the banking application work properly, and also to get the safety net pass, and also to get device is certified. So those who are having Galaxy Note 10 series like Galaxy Note 10, Galaxy Note 10 Plus, Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G, etc., etc. If you want to update your mobile phone, then you must check your mobile phone must have Exynos chipset. Then you can follow this video steps to get this ROM working on your mobile phone. ROM is so far so good battery life, and speed is very awesome. If you want to check this ROM, how it is working on Galaxy Note 10 series, I have already uploaded a review video of this ROM. I will provide link of that video in my description. You can watch the video, then you can decide either if you want to go for this ROM or not. Now, before going ahead, I would like to say and to request that if you are getting help by these videos, then you can appreciate me by subscribing my channel. Click or tap the bell icon, click or tap the select all, and also like the video. Keep sharing it with others. Thank you so much. I appreciate to all those who already did that. Now I am starting the procedure of flashing the One UI 6 ROM on Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G. This ROM can be installed on Galaxy Note 10, Note 10 Plus, Note 10 5G, and Note 10 Plus 5G, but must have Exynos chipset. Must update the mobile phone with the latest stock firmware, like connect the mobile phone with the internet, check the software update. If there is any update available, then update your mobile phone. And in some case, mobile phone will show software is up to date, but the update are still coming on the internet, but the mobile phone is not providing the OTA update. So in that case, you need to update your mobile phone manually by downloading the stock firmware from the internet and manually flashing it. If you don't know exactly how to do that, and then I will provide the video tutorial link in my video description. You can watch that video. Manually update your mobile phone in case if your software is not getting any update. To bring the OEM unlocking option in developer option, we have to connect the mobile phone with Wi-Fi, and we need to check the software update for one. And if the set is up to date, the mobile phone will show software is up to date. By doing this, the OEM unlocking option will come back in developer option, so we can turn it on to unlock the bootloader first. Now, must turn off the lock screen by going to the lock screen and selecting the swipe as a lock screen to turn it off. Then go to accounts and backup. Must sync your Google account once and then remove. I mean to say, log out from your Google account. And in case you are using Samsung account, then must remove the Samsung account also. Do not try to flash a recovery having a Samsung account, because the Samsung account will not let to flash the recovery. Must remove the Samsung account from your mobile phone before flashing the custom recovery. So my mobile phone is Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G, Korean variant, and a single SIM variant. Mobile phone just got updated manually by flashing a stock firmware. You can see One UI version 4.1 and Android version 12, and this is the build number. You can see the last alphabets or digits like WH5. Now tap this build number for 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Developer mode has been turned on. We'll go back to settings, scroll down. You can see the developer options. We'll tap on it to open the developer options, and you can see the OEM unlocking over here. Exynos will be having an OEM unlocking will be prominent. Turn it on. Must turn the OEM unlocking on to unlock the bootloader. Tap turn on. If you are not going to turn on the OEM unlocking, the bootloader will never ever get unlocked. So must turn it on. Right now, The most important thing is to save the internal storage data of your mobile phone, because this procedure will format everything and must charge the mobile phone battery to maximum. Now turn off the mobile phone by going to the power menu and power it off. I will move to the computer screen to show what we have to do on computer. The Google Drive website link is provided in my video description. You can click the link and this Google server Drive website will get open. So you can see that CLROM 1 UI 5 version is also there, and CLROM 1 UI 6 Alpha 6.1 version of ROM is also there. And let me inform you that the 1 UI 6, if you want to install 1 UI 6, you have to download this particular ROM file. And this particular ROM file for every Galaxy Note 10 family which have Exynos chipset. Download this ROM also by clicking on it, and then you have to download the CLROM 6.1 front cam hotfix file, and you have to download the recovery. Now let me tell you something about the recovery. We have to download the .tar extension, because the mobile phone not having any custom recovery, we need to flash the recovery freshly from starting. So I will go for the extension .tar. This particular recovery will work on, if you can see, D1, D1X. D1 and D1X is for Galaxy Note 10 and Galaxy Note 10 5G. Let me remind you that do not try to flash the D1, D1X recovery file on Note 10 Plus 5G or Note 10 Plus. Now come down and D2S.tar. This one is for Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And the last one, the TWRP recovery for D2X, is for Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G, the one I have. So you must go for the .tar extension and the vbmeta.img.tar. This particular file can be used for every Galaxy Note 10 family mobile phone like Galaxy Note 10, Note 10 Plus, Note 10 5G and Note 10 Plus 5G. This is my downloaded folder where I have downloaded all the files, and links are provided in my video description. Just make a new folder and download these files. Download the Odin 3.13.1. And first of all, the first thing you need to do is to install the Samsung USB driver on your Windows. If you have already installed this USB driver, do not reinstall it. But if you haven't, then you must install it on your Windows, so the Windows will detect the mobile phone easily after when the driver get installed on the Windows. So I need your attention here. We want to get the safety net pass and we want to have the device is certified. For that, we need to root the ROM. So I will inform you that you need to install the Magisk, the particular version 26.1 on the ROM. Do not update the Magisk application from 26.1 to the upper version, and even do not try to install the 26.2, 26.3 or whatever the upper version. You need to stick with the 26.1. In case if you try to install the Magisk version of 26.4, the ROM will start in a boot loop. It will never ever boot. And also, after installing the Magisk 26.1, if you see that Magisk is having an update, do not update the Magisk application also, because after restarting the mobile, you will see the ROM will be in a boot loop. Link provided. Download this particular 26.1 Magisk application. Recovery file for my Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G, vbmeta file which can be used for every Galaxy Note 10 family, Exynos, and safety net fix file to get the safety net pass. After downloading all the files, first of all, extract the Odin file here. Then open the extracted folder of Odin. Double click the Odin file. Click OK on next window. The Odin will get open. Then first of all, click AP on the Odin. Go to your downloaded folder where all the files are safe. Select the twrp.tar file. Then click Open. And then click CP on Odin, and this time select the vbmeta.img.tar and click Open. Now Odin is ready. Coming back towards the mobile phone, we need to boot the mobile phone into Odin mode to unlock the bootloader, also to install or to flash the custom recovery. Now I need your attention. Like, mobile phone must be power off. We need a data cable. Must use a good quality of data cable, and also check your USB port must be working properly. Mobile phone must be power off. We have to boot the set into Odin mode. For that, press and hold the volume up key, volume down key, then connect the cable with the mobile phone. You will see the mobile phone will boot into warning screen. Release both keys. Now here, those who have lock bootloader, you will see that press volume up, long press will take you to the device bootloader, lock, relock, and unlock. So on this screen, press and hold the volume up key, press and hold the volume up key for a few seconds. The other window will appears, release the volume up key, and it says that volume up key for yes and volume down key for no. So I want to unlock bootloader of my mobile phone. Now I need your attention. And what is that? I will press the volume up key once. The bootloader will get unlocked. The mobile phone will get restart. It will start erasing the things. And then we have to boot the mobile phone immediately to Odin mode. Do not let the mobile phone to boot into stock ROM. Otherwise, we will have to repeat those things which we have done already before flashing or before unlocking a bootloader, right? Now, watch me. I will press the volume up key. Bootloader gets unlocked, the mobile phone reboot. You can see that this message is coming now. It will start erasing, and the data cable is already connected. Be ready. When mobile phone just finish the erasing, then you have to press the volume up key and volume down key. And now press the volume up key, volume down key. Wait, this screen comes, then release the both keys and press the volume up key once to let the set boot into Odin mode. Now, here I want you to check my Odin mode screen. The Odin mode screen must be like this. For example, product name, right? Current binary is Samsung official. Now, KG state must be checking. If your mobile phone Odin screen KG state is pre-normal, then do not try to flash the recovery, because the recovery will not get flash on pre-normal. If the KG state is pre-normal, the KG state must be checking, and FRP lock must be off. OEM lock must be off also, but in a bracket you will see U, which means bootloader is unlocked. So the mobile phone is booted into Odin mode. The bootloader is already unlocked, and then we can flash the custom recovery. Coming back towards the Odin screen, come to the options, untick the auto reboot, go to the lock, and then click start. The flashing will get started, and it will learn Odin flash the recovery. With the mobile phone still booted into Odin mode, you can simply exit the Odin, come back to the downloaded folder, and we have to boot the mobile phone into custom recovery. Now I need your attention once again. So I will press all three keys, the volume up key, volume down key, and power key. When set restart, then you have to release the volume down key first. And when the logo appears, then you will release the power key, but do not release the volume up key until the custom recovery TWRP screen appears. Now, starting the procedure of booting the set into Odin mode. Volume up key, volume down key, power key. When set restart, I will release the volume down key first. Okay, I have released the volume down key. When logo appears, then I will release the power key, but I have didn't release the volume up key. Let the set boot into recovery, and this time I will release the volume up key. Recovery screen appears. On this screen, swipe to allow modification, then tap wipe, tap format data, type YES, tap here. Done. Go back to the main screen, then tap reboot and tap recovery. Notice that the data cable is still connected. Do not disconnect the cable from the mobile phone. Once again, swipe to allow the modification. Internal storage got appears on the computer screen. I will go to my downloaded folder and I will copy the ROM file, front cam hotfix file, and the Magis file. I will copy three files: Magis 26.1, CD-ROM UI6, and front cam hotfix file. Copy these three files from here and go to your mobile phone internal storage and paste all the files over here. While the files are being copied, I want you to come to the recovery screen. Tap settings, then tap the third menu and make the screen time out to maximum. Also, if you want to maximize the brightness, you can do it. And you can go back to the main screen. So when file gets copied, then you can come to the mobile phone screen. Now, the first thing that we have to do after when file all the files copied on the internal storage of mobile phone, tap wipe, then tap advanced wipe and select the first Dalvik art cache, second cache, third data, leave internal storage, leave micro SD card, then select product, then select vendor. That's all. Swipe. Done. Then go back to the main screen, tap install and select the ROM file first. That must be seal ROM 1 UI 6 Alpha 6.1. Tap to select the file, then swipe to start flushing. Now wait, let the flushing complete. Script done, succeeded, result was done. Now go back to the selection screen and this time select the front cam hotfix file. Tap to select the file, then swipe. Done. Now go back to the main screen. Now we have to do one more thing, installing the Magis application. I am on the main screen of custom recovery. Tap advanced, then tap file manager and tap data folder, then tap media folder, and you will see the files that I have copied already here. Now tap the Magis 26.1. The extension is APK. We have to change the extension of Magis application from APK to ZIP. Tap to select the file, then tap rename file and erase the APK and type ZIP, then tap here and swipe. The file extension is now converted. Let me show. I will go back. You can see file is now Magis from APK to ZIP. Go back to the main screen of the mobile phone. Then tap install and this time select the magis.zip file by tapping on it and swipe. So it will start routing the ROM. After when the routing got finished, flashing finished, then simply tap reboot system. So the mobile phone will reboot and will start soon booting into the One UI 6 ROM. The first boot will take a time, so you have to wait now. So finally, first boot completed. Didn't took that much time. Tap start. Then notice this is a beta software. Yes, the One UI 6 is still beta. Just tap OK, and we have to select the language here. English, United States, then tap next. And on the other screen, we have to select the country. So if your country is not in this list, you can simply go whatever country you can like. I just like, for example, I will go for the United Kingdom. I will select, then I will tap restart. The mobile phone will restart this time. So again, the internal problem with your device, tap OK. This thing will comes up always whenever we are rebooting the mobile phone because the One UI 6 is still in beta. Then you can simply complete the setup screen. Okay, we got the ROM, One UI 6. I will go to settings, then we'll go to about phone. And this time the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, you notice that the data cable is still connected. So the permission is came up on the screen. I will tap allow. And Galaxy Note 10 Plus is converted to S22 Ultra. Model number also got changed from N976N to SMS9088 or maybe 8B. And I will tap the software information. And this time you will see mobile phone got updated from One UI 4.1 to One UI 6.0, from Android 12 to Android 14. But still the baseband is old, which have stock baseband, and the build number is CROM 6.1. Now we have to root the mobile phone. Already we have rooted, but we have to install the Magis application, which is not installed properly on the mobile phone. The cable is already connected. So I will come to the computer screen. Already the internal storage already appears on my computer screen. I will go back to my downloaded folder, and this time I will copy the Magis APK file and safety net fix file from here. We'll go to the internal storage of my mobile phone and we'll paste both file over here. We are done from the computer. You can simply power off the computer and disconnect the cable from the mobile phone and go to the menu, then tap the My Files application, open it, tap the internal storage, then tap Essentials and select the All and scroll down. Magis application is over here, tap to install it, and then tap Settings, allow the permission, and then tap Update. Magis application got installed. Then tap done and go back to the main screen. Go to the menu. Magis application is over there. Tap to open the application. Your device needs reflash Magis. Do not tap OK. Every time you open the Magis application, this window will appear. So tap cancel every time. I will go to modules. Then I will tap install from storage, and then I will tap recent. Select Galaxy S22 Ultra. Scroll down and safety net fix that I have copied already. Tap to select the module file. Then tap OK to let install it on the mobile phone. When it get installed, do not tap reboot. Go back to the Magis application. Go back to the home of the Magis application. Tap settings. Then scroll down and turn on the Zygisk. Right now, go back to the main screen of Magis application. Tap the arrow key on the top of the screen. Then tap reboot. Let the set to reboot. And I will tap OK. And unlocking the lock screen. Again, I will go to menu, opening the Magis application. And again, tap cancel. Then go to the modules, and you need to check the module that I have installed, the safety net fix file. It must be like this, right? Then the notice come again whenever we reboot the mobile phone. Just tap OK. Now the ROM got installed very perfectly, and the ROM got rooted very perfectly. And we have to do two things more before adding the Gmail account. Tap settings, then go to the apps here, then tap this one and tap show system apps. OK. Then tap search and search for PLAY. First, tap to select the Google Play Store. Then tap storage and tap clear data. Delete. Done. Go back to the apps. Tap the search once again. Type PLAY and this time select the Google Play Services. Again, select tap storage. Then tap clear data. Tap clear all data and tap OK. Done. Go back to the main screen. ROM booted and ROM flashed perfectly. Rooted also perfectly. And now you can simply connect your mobile phone with the internet, add your Gmail account, download the safety net checking file. You can see you will see the Play Store, the device will certified, and you will see the safety net will also show pass. You can simply enjoy the ROM now, One UI 6 and Android 14 on Galaxy Note 10 or Note 10 Plus or Note 10 Plus 5G or Galaxy Note 10 5G. Do not forget to like the video. I will see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.